India saw a shocking rise in hate speech in 2025. According to the Indian Hate Lab latest report, there was at least 1,318 documented incidents targeting religious minorities, overwhelming Muslims and increasingly Christians, averaging 4 hate-filled events every single day. That's up to 13% from 2024 and a staggering 97% jump since 2023. The numbers are stark. 98% of the speeches, 1,289 in total, targeted Muslims, explicitly in most cases or alongside Christians in others. Anti-Christian hate speech rose even faster, 41% higher than the previous years. A recent US Holocaust Museum study ranked India 4th globally for risk of interstate mass killings, and number 1 among countries not yet in large-scale violence. That should alarm everyone. Where did most of it happen? BJP-ruled states. Uttar Pradesh topped the list with 266 incidents, followed by Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Delhi. Overall, 88% of hate speeches occurred in BJP-governed area, up 25% from last year in opposition-ruled states. A 34% dropped top speakers. Uttarakhand CM Pushkar Singh Dhami led with 71 speeches pushing love jihad, land jihad, Thuk jihad narratives. Others like Praveen Togaria and Nitish Rain used violent languages, calling Muslims green snake, jihadis and declaring Hindus come first in a Hindu Rashtra. Nearly half of the speeches spread conspiracy theories. Almost a quarter explicitly called for violence. VHP and Bajrang Dal organized 23% of these events. Dehumanizing slurs, termites, parasites, mad dogs, they were just a routine. Call to boycott Muslim economically, demolish mosques, disrupt Christmas services, all documented, yet the central government largely stayed silent. The Supreme Court showed restraint and monitoring. The report's conclusion is very chilling, as hate speech has gone election tactic to normalize, round-the-clock governance tool. This isn't just words anymore, it is a deepening crisis that demands urgent attention before rhetoric turns into something far worse. This is the reality of India in 2025. Stay aware, stay vigilant.